Hello everyone and welcome back. So we're going to make this facade be great again. So let's get started. Now let's say we did the windows, but I want to make the exterior more memorable. So I think as I did my windows, now I will do this exterior, and I think I'll try to do my exterior stuff, let's say uh, in one shot, let's say, and then copy it. Actually, I did. No, actually, I did it for the windows, and the conclusion was that I couldn't extrude. I had to extrude it separately, but maybe I wanted more to extrude in parallel. We'll see. So anyway, just double click on the model, and we'll enter the model, create extrusion, and let's see. Let's set the work plane. Uh, let's say this surface, I guess. Yeah, we'll pick this one, and let's get going to wireframe. So first of all, let's say I have one type of profile, and then I have another type of profile. Let's say I have a very small distance. Okay, and when I have this large distance. I'll I'm trying something to see if it works the way I intended. And this is a circle. I don't want a circle, I want an arch. So let's say I have something like this. Okay, then let's extrude. Okay, can each be extruded separately? No. Yeah, unfortunately, no. I thought each part can be extruded separately and have a different though. Okay, that's a pity. I thought I could do this. I have to accept the situation. Okay, this is restrained. Let's say like this, and then I have a profile, but I won't do it as for now. Okay, then next, let's create extrusion as I told you. This one, pick a plane. Okay, let's do my extrusion like this. Great. And now create similar like this. Okay, great. I move it something like this. Okay, let's create similar. Create. Let's say I want this. This would rather be a profile, but I'll do it as is. Okay, like this. Let's say I do it like this. Okay. No, actually it isn't accurate. Okay, just do like this. Create similar. I'll pick this side, let's say. Then retract. Then about my Telegram spies or whatever we want to tell me. Okay, let's get going. Okay, great. Now I have this other part. So create. We have this part. Okay. Now we have something a bit different. So I think I'll copy this. Put it something like this. Okay, this is a bit different. I'll extrude downwards like this and adjust. Let's copy this rectangle. Put it like this, like this. Okay, good. Okay, then what else do we have? Let's copy some rectangles like this. And I will reach this rectangle, let's say. Okay, okay. Let's reach this rectangle as well. Like this, like this, like this. Okay, great. Let's copy it again. Okay, okay, okay. And basically that's it. I think I'm gonna modify this to be something like this to have some interior whatever. Okay, let's see how it does it look in 3D. Now it starts to take shape. So this is more backwards. Let's say it's at half. This is more exposed a bit, let's say. Okay. This is, let's say, more backwards. This is more exposed. Okay. Section 2. Okay. Now looks a bit better. I have some details. Okay, when I want to create an extrusion, create extrusion, pick a plane, this one, and I think it will be a bit more complicated. So I start from here, with something like this, maybe something like this, and then something like this. Let's move myself something like here. Okay, because I want to create some sort of, let's say, special profile. It's my intention. Great. Good. Now we have some sort of special profile. Let's put it in place right here. Okay. Good. Let's create similar. Oh, this has to have another work plane. Anyway, we'll see. So we have actually no, we have actually this one. No, this one, this one, this one. This will be deleted. Okay, and it will be like this. Great. And this I think will be, no, that, I think this would be more like this. It still seems too clunky. I don't know if it would move with something like this, and then I would have something that's mentioned like this, and then I have my special curve, and now I think it looks far better. This was too chunky. Okay, pretty similar. Set pick work plane. Select all my sides that interest me. Okay, snap to those planes. Finish model. And I think these two. No, actually let's save the model. I and I will move those two because those are on reference planes. Move around here, I think. Okay, now it's good. Let's check in here, like this, downwards. So something like this. Okay, this will be more extruded, let's say. And I have my profile. Yeah, it looks, let's say, decent enough. This will be less visible. This as well. Okay. And I think I have my elements ready. Let's save. And I will copy basically everything. Section 2. So aside from the Windows stuff, let's see in 3D. I actually won't copy the window because this is a standalone object. Yeah. Actually won't copy ever my windows. No, actually won't copy ever my window. Okay. And I guess let's copy. Okay. Copy, 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 and copy. And now it starts to look good. So it seems that these ornaments were the key on the windows. Now it starts to look appropriate. So we have like the windows, the horizontal elements, the openings, then put the vertical elements to make a difference. Okay, great. So now let's save, and then we will continue, I guess, with the main facade to finish it. Okay, so we go in section 2. What else do we need to do? Uh, let's check my Google as well. Oh, this is the actual profile. Okay, I can make it as a. Yeah, I can make it. It's a different color. I can do a small inset. It looks like a small inset. It's a different color. And I have this sweep profile that I can also do. Okay. And yeah, this cornice area, we have to see how do we do that. Okay. Actually, let's do the cornice. Why not? It's not that hard. No, I will create sweep big path. This one. Oh no, I don't want. Okay, this is okay. 3D edges. This one and this one. Okay. Now let's see. That's annoying. These ships are really so dumb. Revit should do something with this. I'll do actually something else. Oh, I can sketch path. Pick up plane. Uh, this one. Oh, and then I can pick some edges. Okay, and now I can modify. Now actually there are some settings I just didn't know. Otherwise, now like this, and then I can use this one. Great. Now it's okay. And let's do the sweep. Edit profile. Okay, so descending, right, descending, right. This, this right, horizontal. This right. Okay, horizontal, then downwards and right. Okay. So slope right, horizontal slope. Okay, right, smaller, and then let's slope again, then right, this part, and slope again. That's it. Okay, now we have some sort of cornice, section 2. Is this big enough? Yes. Actually, no. Need to make it a bit bigger. By how much? Not by much, but large enough. Okay. Let's say I have my profile and I will have downwards another profile. Let's create another profile. Ctrl S. Let's create another profile. Okay. Create. Sweep. Uh, oh, okay. Okay, I will create the same sweep and then let's see. I'll have to check somehow the altitude, let's say. So ready, edit profile. Now I would have to go over here, let's say, have something like this, and then look online to see my profile. So straight, then descending a bit straight, descending straight big, and then something a bit outwards. So straight slope, SSL, right? Whatever we're gonna do. I try to give some sort of code, but it doesn't work that way. So it is something like straight, then sloped. Let's check, and then a little bit straight, and after it's a bit straight. Then it comes something slope, but I think it comes in two steps, something like that. Then it's downwards. Then it's a bit outwards. Something like this, I guess. Let's see how does it look. Yeah, kind of. But this is more narrow. Something like this. Yeah, kind of. And now it starts to look like a real, yeah. So the windows made a difference in the cornice. Now for the whole image, I would need, let's say, the mid. Oh, what did I do? Okay, let's Control S. Okay, so now we have to do the middle part. We're in section 2, and now we would have to do these columns. Let's think about how we can do them. So I'll double click the model, and let's see, create extrusion, pick a plane, this rectangular plane. And now let's think a bit. So this part, I think it should come a bit extruded. It's connected somehow to the profile, but it's not a profile. Then let's say I copy this large guy, and then I do, let's see, I do something like this. Actually, I have a small part and a bigger part. I will stylize a bit, let's say, to move faster. Okay, and this is a bit smaller as well. Okay, and now let's say I have my capital. Okay, and this, let's say, will be made a bit more beautiful. So let's say I have this arch over here. This arch something like here. I would rather have something like this. Then let me see. It actually doesn't make sense to have this middle whatever. They should be. It should be symmetrical. I don't care. It doesn't have any. Doesn't make any sense to me, at least. Maybe I will do a bit of spacing. I don't know. Or let's check the image. Is it like really like this? There is merge or something, but I don't think so. No, they aren't merged. As you can see, they aren't merged. There are some Corinthian columns, and yeah, the AI kind of does not understand this accuracy stuff and what's logic from a constructive point of view. Yeah, that's it. It can't do anything about it too soon. Okay, and I think this is the stylized version, and I will copy it symmetrically. And let's say I have my leaves or something over here. And let's say I have my spiral or something. So I will actually do some stuff. So I will have something like this, then something like this. I'll actually do a profile which isn't, let's say, extruded. Okay. 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 And now let's do my reverse. Okay, and I did my reverse. Let's end this reverse, something like this. Let's mirror. Okay, I mirrored this. And what's this kind of leaf in the middle? Oh no, it's actually two leaves that are joined, and it's a flower or something. So let me, if I put a, or let's put something. Let's say no. Actually, I would do something like I would do. I would do a spiral. I do another spiral into the interior. Okay, it will sound a bit, look a bit stupid, but we'll try to do something. Okay, and that is copied. Something like this and something like this. And then here, I don't know, a circle, something like a flower. And, and let's join this and okay. A bit of a problem here. Okay, let's see something like this. And I think, oh, I missed this line as well. Weird. Okay, yeah. And let's save the model. Let's see how it looks in 3D. Okay, it's a bit more to work on this. It doesn't look that elegant. You actually need to do the ornaments if you do want to do them well. Let's say I have a stylized column and that's it. Okay, let's continue. Let's keep going. Okay, now I have this part of the column, then copy, have this part of the column done. Okay, then this bottom part. Okay, this is a bit extended. It should be curves, but I won't bother with that as for now. Okay, now let's copy it once again and adjust. Let's copy once again. Okay, now looks good. Now let's copy again. And this should be, let's say, adjusted. Okay. I think I should let some sort of extrude on here. Maybe here I don't need as much. Let's keep going like this. We have a little bit left. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, great. Let's finish the model. Let's save. So basically we have the column. Oh, but we have a problem that the profile should be raised more, but that can be solved. Okay, let's check now. A bit lower. Let's check now. Now it's better. Section 2. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, great. So now we can, let's say, finish the model. Save, and now please, let's duplicate this part of the column. Section 2. And I will duplicate just this part. And let's see how does it fit. I think something like this. Let's move it a bit here. Yeah, this is basically it. And now I can expand a bit. Yeah, now this looks good. Now I can copy this onto the right. Okay, and now just one column can be copied like this here and like this here. This upper part will be copied as well and scaled. Okay. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Good. Let's say makes sense. Okay. Great. And no, not all. I want just this. And let's put it around here. And something like on here. Yeah, so oh, far better. Yeah, so that's what makes the building. So oh no, 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 cancel, 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 cancel. Save. Okay, so now I have a proper facade. Now it looks like a proper facade. And yeah, now it looks like a proper. We have some ornaments and balusters to place, and we are kind of ready with the facade. Yeah. Yeah, it actually wasn't that hard. Okay, so let's get going. But I think this is enough for today. I'll film another video, and yeah, thank you for watching, and see you around.